This 2025 Fleetwood Altitude 27U is a Class C RV. It is located in Ocala, FL 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Fleetwood Altitude 27U is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.